I don't think I can control myself. Constant and sharp, and I do not hope for a better world for anyone.